Brand new grill.
Nice.
Just for your shrimp. It's not that heavy. All right, we got to put it together. He said it'll take, we just got to flop a couple things on and wow, we'll be cooking. He told me there was two little ones and a big one. There's no little one. They're all the same size. Well, maybe this is a smaller one because it's turned. Yeah, this one is small. This little warming rack. That button don't feel right. It's supposed to click, right?
Yeah,
I mean, it's not doing nothing. Yeah, the gas is coming out. Wow.